MCP Servers explained. The future of AI tools AI is getting smarter every day, but right now it's still, well, a bit of a loner. Your chatbot doesn't know what's on your computer. Your coding assistant can't fetch your calendar, and every app lives in its own little bubble. That's where MCP servers come in. A new open standard that lets AI tools talk to anything, your files, your databases, even real-world devices, safely and securely. In this video, I'm breaking down what MCP servers are, why they matter, and how they could completely change the way you use AI. So, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a universal translator for AI. A set of rules that says, here's how you, the AI, can ask for information or trigger actions in the real world. Without MCP, every AI tool you use has to hard code in its integrations, which is slow, messy, and often unsafe. With MCP, you can set up an MCP server that exposes certain capabilities to your AI assistant, and only the ones you choose. For example, you could have an MCP server for your local files, another for your PostgreSQL database, one for your Jira tickets, and your AI assistant can access them all without having to reinvent the wheel for each app. Here's the basic flow. You have an MCP client, usually your AI assistant or chatbot. You have an MCP server. This is a small piece of software that knows how to talk to a specific system, like GitHub or your CRM. The AI talks to the MCP server using the Model Context Protocol. The server says, here's what I can do, here's the data I can give you. The AI says, cool, I'd like to run this command with these parameters. And the server responds with the results. The magic here is standardization. The AI doesn't have to know how Jira works. It just knows how to talk to any MCP server. So why is this a big deal? Because MCP servers make AI pluggable. That means faster AI development. You don't have to build integrations from scratch. More secure AI, you can sandbox exactly what the AI can touch. Personalized AI, you can connect your own private data without sending it to a third-party API. It's like how USB made it easy to connect any device to your computer. MCP does that for AI tools. Let's make this real. Here are a few examples. You're a developer. You spin up an MCP server that talks to your Git repo. Your AI can now read code, open pull requests, and review commits. But it can't touch anything else. You're in finance. You have an MCP server that queries your market data API. The AI can pull the latest stock prices and run analysis. You're a researcher. You connect your AI to a scientific paper database via MCP. Now it can find, summarize, and cross-reference papers without scraping the web. And here's the kicker. Once someone builds an MCP server for a tool, anyone can use it. It's reusable. If you want to try MCP servers yourself, go to the official MCP GitHub repository. There are starter templates. Pick or build an MCP server for the tool you want to connect. Run it locally or on a server. Point your AI client to it. You don't need to be a pro coder. Some servers are already pre-built, so it's as easy as running npm start or docker run. MCP servers are still new, but they could be the missing link that turns AI from a clever chatbot into a true digital coworker. Imagine your AI having instant, secure access to all your work tools. That's the future MCP is building. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd connect your AI to first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.